Marlin Tyre and Mechanical Workshop software by Megabus integrates with Repco Navigator Pro, enabling users to search the Repco catalogue and return items and service checklists to customer orders. If enabled, Navigator Pro can be accessed by clicking on the Repco button in the Inquiry tab of a Business Planner booking or to the top right of a customer orders details list. If a vehicle hasn't been added to the order yet, then it can be selected using the menu options or the registration search above. If a vehicle has already been added to the order, then its information will be automatically entered. Once the vehicle is selected, the Repco window will show a list of relevant items along with their pricing and availability. Items can be added to the order pad on the right by clicking on the Add buttons and returned to Marlin by clicking on the Return Parts to Marlin button at the top. If enabled, service checklists can also be generated by clicking on the Smart Quote tab to the top left of the item list, and then on the Return Quote button at the top. Back in Marlin, the selected items will be added to the order details list along with the service checklist, which can be printed or hidden on the invoice using the checkbox to the top right. The checklist can also be printed on the order's job card to be used by technicians when performing the service. Visit megabus.com.au for more information and take control of your workshop with Marlin Tyre and Mechanical Workshop software.